Stop scrolling because the strategy I'm about to show you might completely change the way you trade. Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to take real trades using one of the most powerful combination of two indicators that most traders completely ignore. And trust me, once you see how these two indicators work together, it might actually blow your mind. This is not some random strategy from the internet. It's a combination that I personally use in my own trading, and when used correctly, it can give you incredibly accurate trade setup. Today is Sunday, and as most traders know, that Sunday OTC market can be extremely volatile and unpredictable, but the strategy I'm using today is so powerful that even in these conditions, it performs amazingly well. Right now, you can see on my leaderboard on the screen, I've already taken few trades and locked in some solid profit. And in this video, I'm going to take few more live trades so that you can exactly see how this strategy works in real time. You can see on the chart that I'm using moving average and the stochastic oscillator as my main indicator. These two tools, when combined properly, can give you very powerful and precise trading signals. If you want to know the exact setting I'm using for these indicators, make sure to comment me down below. Write settings along with your country name. Alright traders, I can see a clear trade opportunity forming right now, and I'm going straight for a put entry at the opening of the candle. The reason is very simple and powerful. This red candle had just broken below the moving average, the yellow line, giving me a very strong bearish breakout signal. At the same time, the stochastic oscillator is also confirming the move with a clear bearish crossover coming down from the straight overbought zone towards the downside. When you see both of these confirmation aligning together, it creates a very high probability setup. That's exactly why I'm confident enough to enter this trade immediately at the opening of the candle. This kind of confluence between trend confirmation and momentum reversal is what we look for the market, and based on this setup, this should be a clear winning trade if market respects the signal. So let's see how this candle closes, and I will decide my next trade. Alright traders, as you can see that the candle is now showing a strong rejection from the downside. The rejection from the lower level is clearly forming, and at the same time the stochastic green line has already reached the oversold zone below the 30 level. This confirms that our previous trade is a winning trade. However, even though the trade is in profit, I'm not going to take another put entry here. The reason is very simple. When the market reaches the oversold zone and start showing rejection, there's a strong possibility of a reversal. So instead of focusing on this currency pair, I'm going to look for next clean setup. And right now on this particular chart, that is CHF JPY chart, I can see a clear signal forming. As soon as this green candle closes, I'll be going for a call entry right at the opening of the next candle, and at the same time I'll also look for marginal safety entry to manage my position properly and to take advantage of the expected move. Also, if you see the next reversal point, there is a very little gap, so I am more focused with my marginal entry safety trade. But this is a very strong bullish candle, and the next candle is going to form a green one, which I know. So I am going to take a call entry right at the opening, and also if the candle approaches to my 50% of the previous green candle, I'll also take my marginal safety entry as well. Just as I anticipated, I've taken my call entry right at the opening of the candle. The reason is very simple, which I have already mentioned. And also there is enough space between the current candle and the next possible reversal zone, which I have marked with my blue line. This increases the probability of a strong green candle forming. To manage the position more effectively, I'm also going to place my marginal safety entry before the 30-second timer, since we are trading on a default time frame where each trade is based on a single candle movement. Now, if you observe the indicator, the stochastic oscillator is already giving me a clear buy signal, and at the same time we have a breakout above the moving average, which acts as a very strong confirmation for a bullish momentum. Based on this confluence, this setup has a very high probability of ending as a winning trade, and as you can see, this is exactly going in my favor, turning into a green one. However, I will not take any more trades here because the next reversal point is very near and there is very less space. Also, the stochastic has already reached to our overbought zone. So traders, you have seen how powerful this indicator combination can be. Let me know in the comment section if you want part 2 of this strategy, and if you want to know the exact indicator settings, make sure to comment me down below so I know that you are interested. In today's session, I have managed to book a solid profit of more than $800, which clearly shows the potential of this setup when the confirmations align properly. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description box below. With that said, I'm signing off for today. I'll be back soon with another powerful trading video. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and as always, happy trading.